Some of the myths of veterinary dentistry that are the most common that we see in small animal practices are that anesthesia is not really necessary, but it is. And dental radiographs are not really necessary, but they are. They're very important to making the diagnosis for what we need to see to be able to be the patient advocate. Animals often don't show signs of pain in their mouth. Owners especially, think that the dogs are eating or the cats are eating, so whatever they have must not hurt. So this is another myth, that they will eat with oral pain. They will not stop eating just because they have pain. And as our veterinarians in our veterinary community, we want to be the patient advocates. So we want to speak up for these animals and inform the owners and recognize ourselves as veterinarians that they are in pain and we can fix it, even if they're not showing it in the same ways that we might show it. And then the final myth that I tend to see a lot is that antibiotics are very overused. And so that the myth is that antibiotics are needed and that they are, but they really aren't. There's a lot of situations where they are not necessary and they tend to be overused. So we want to back off on our use of antibiotics, and we want to utilize dental radiographs for our diagnostic process when we're trying to find out what's happening with these animals. We want to make sure that we're doing a good, thorough dental exam, and that includes dental radiographs, but in order to do that, they also need to be under anesthesia. So awake dental cleanings without anesthesia are not very helpful, they're not effective, and they are going to provide the owner with a sense of security that they've done something, but we're not actually treating the underlying problems because we haven't even found them. So it's important for us to recognize that we have to speak up and we have to take care of those animals and look for problems. It's the same reason that we do blood work, wellness blood work, on animals that are perfectly healthy, or wellness exams for that matter. The owners bring their animals in for wellness exams, and our job is to find out what the animal is hiding from us. And dentistry tends to be a very hidden disease. So we can help them and we can fix it, but we have to find it.